Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone as a friend on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Facebook application on your device, and once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, once you log in, you will end up within your home page from which you can scroll through the various news feed. Now, within this page, if you wish to add someone as your friend, you can either search for them directly using the search feature. You can tap on the search icon at the top right corner just alongside the messenger icon. Then you can simply type in the name of whoever you want to add, and once you find their profile, you can tap on the Add Friend button, which will send a friend request to this user, and they will receive a notification that you have sent a friend request to them. Now, from the Friend Requests tab, if they tap on the Accept button for your friend request, only then you will become friends with that user. You can also tap on the Friends option, within which you will be shown various suggestions based on your mutual friends. You can simply tap on the Add Friend button alongside the recommendations, and your friend request will be sent in a bulk. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed with adding friends on the Facebook app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.